They're right here, vibrating just under the surface.
Tiny mangrove crab hiding right between the roots.
Such delicate legs, moving so softly.
He's waking up. Ooh, look at the tiny legs.
Easy, just let him come up on his own.
There he is, hiding under the leaves. Tiny pale termites, moving so fast.
He's so calm, blending perfectly.
A shiny ground beetle, moving slowly. I'll lift you gently, nice and easy.
A tiny salamander, so calm and cool.
He looks just like a twig, moving so gently.
Bloodworms. The speat wilt, they hide right under the mud.
Tiny eel fry, so quick in the mud.
Look at this beautiful blue color. So vibrant. Let's get you into the containers. There they are, so many red ones together.
There it is, a giant bamboo lobster hiding deep in the mud.
So many red ones all together in the clear stream.
Look at these beautiful little ones. Aren't they lovely? Let's get you safely inside.
There it is, a tiny mayfly nymph.
Nice and slow now, we'll put you right in here. There you go.
There it is, a tiny translucent fish.
Got the little water beetle trapped in the eddy.
Look at this little jewel hiding under the bark.
Hey, little one, hiding in the ferns.
Hey, little sucker.
Poor little one. Wings soaked from the rain.
There you are, hiding in the coconut husk.
If you're enjoying the journey, don't forget to subscribe.